just got this aluminum foldable hand truck dolly. It's perfect because it's got a really low profile because it can fold. It's super lightweight and it's so easy to get it going. All you do is fold this part down, those wheels kick out, you press this button right here, the handle extends, and then it's also got these rotatable handles so you can hold it in two different ways, however it's easier to use. Rolls really nicely. It's got a 300-pound capacity, so you can move some pretty big stuff with this, and putting it away for storage is just as easy. Fold in those handles, press this button, the handle goes down, fold this in, those wheels fold up, lightweight, easy to store, perfect. It's a great solution.